Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to convert images to a PDF on your iPhone. It's an easy process, so let's get started. First, we need to export photos from the Photos app to the Files app. So, let's open the Photos app. Then, we're going to select the photos we want to convert. Tap Select at the top. Now select your photos. Next, tap on the Share button in the bottom left-hand corner. Scroll down and select Save to Files. Now, choose where you want to save these photos. I'm going to save them on my iPhone, in the Photos folder. Great. Now, we can exit the Photos app. To convert these images to a PDF, open the Files app. Navigate to the folder where you saved the photos. Now, if you only want to convert one image, press and hold on that image. Then tap Quick Actions. From the drop-down menu, select Create PDF. After a few seconds, the PDF will appear. You can tap on it to open and view it. If you want to put multiple images into one PDF file, tap the circle icon in the top right-hand corner, then tap Select. Now, select all the images you want to include in the PDF. Once you've selected them, tap the circle icon again in the bottom right, and then tap Create PDF. Again, after a few seconds it'll appear. Let's tap on it to open it. See? We've successfully created our PDF file. And if you want to share it, tap the share icon in the bottom left-hand corner, and share it just like you normally would. And that's it. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful iPhone tips.